At first, when I created the first major and final idea of this garden, I was restricting myself too much to make it just Japanese garden. I found the Japanese gardens that I liked, and I wanted it to look like this. And then a few years into making this garden, half of it was looking something Japanese, if you don't look at the backtrack nearby. But the other part of the garden was screaming, I'm English traditional garden with 100-year-old oak trees, and I had no idea what to do with it. I was planning like wild meadow, but still, what's Japanese about it? And then I realized, I remembered that we live in an area of outstanding natural beauty. Sounds fantastic, and it is a fantastic thing because it's only like 15% of the whole territory of the country is this place of it's like different bits scattered all around the country, and we are in that 15%. So instead of fighting the nature that's surrounding me, I decided to go with it. And then in that moment all the puzzles came together, and I realized that I can create something special and tell my story. And I decided that this garden will be a combination of different things, of cultures, of ideas, of art, and most importantly, it will be British heritage garden, but created with Japanese principles and look more natural and more making it look like the nature created it and not man-made with straight flower beds and statues in the middle of it. I want to avoid that. I want the garden still look very, very organic and like it was always there for centuries. So I will introduce here British heritage plants, especially important to the area where we live, Kent, and will shape them in a Japanese way with maybe Ukrainian touch. Yeah, and it will be something special.